Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Zoe, as you know. I know I promised that my first video would be basically me demonstrating on how to sew up a closure wig. However, I thought it would make more sense if I made a personality video, you know, to inform you as subscribers who I am, what I like to do, where I'm from, you know, just simple things about me that I feel like you as subscribers should know. Now to start off, I'm going to let you know that this is not going to have a little snippet intro. I'm too lazy to make it, so I'm just gonna get right into this video. Hi, my name is Zoe. I was born in the US Virgin Islands, and I was born, not raised. I do not know anything about the Virgin Islands. I haven't went back there yet since I was like, what, 3 years old, so I'm not sure how it is over there, but that's where I was born. I was raised in Florida. So where I'm living now, I'm living in Central Florida. I'm not gonna say the town or the city because, you know, there's some stalkers out there. So not saying that, not disclosing that information. But I will say that I do go to school at Valencia, which everyone knows that is Central Florida. There's different campuses. I'm not going to disclose which campus I go to. I do want to let you guys know that this channel will mainly be about wigs, bundles, closures, frontals, things like that. I would have some videos that will be me ranting because I love to rant. If you were to go on my Instagram, then you would have seen me ranting back in the day, you know, but I don't do it anymore as often because at the time I was applying for a job and they do background checks on everything. So I had to delete a lot of my content so I could get the job, and I did. I work there now. I'm not gonna disclose where I work because they're very strict on what you post on social media and associating them with what you post on social media. So I'm not trying to, you know, put my job online because, yeah, anyway. And I will be ranting on this channel, best believe that, because your girl loves to rant and loves to talk about some ish. And this channel will also be, I would love to bring my family into this or any other YouTubers that I know, like collabs or whatnot. I would definitely be doing collabs with other YouTubers. You will see that. I won't be doing makeup videos. I just want to disclose this information to you guys right now because why I keep saying disclose? Is that like a word that I search up for the day and like, oh, you have to use this word in a sentence? That's what I feel like the word. Like back in Sesame Street days where they'd be like, the letter of the day is D, and then they'll put like a D right there. Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm in Sesame Street and I'm using the word disclose, and that's the word of the day. But anyways, let me stop using that word from now on. For the rest of this video, you're not gonna hear me say disclose. So I'm going to give you guys, my mind went blank. Oh yeah, makeup. So this channel will not be including any type of makeup because I am still learning in the makeup world. I'm still dabbling here and there. When you see me on camera, 90% of the time, why am I saying 90%? 99% of the time, I will be looking like this. I take it back, 90%, because maybe sometimes I might be lazy and I won't have makeup on. As for what I like to do, I already told you I like working with wigs. I have natural hair. Will I be doing my natural hair on this channel? Possibly. I mean, if that's what you guys want to see, I can do some natural hair. Wait, I take that back. Because sometimes when I have 4C hairs, and sometimes when I do my hair and I try to do a style, it just doesn't come out right. Fashion hauls, I'm poor. So no, okay? Maybe, I don't know. I mean, who's balling like that? Let me know. I'm not a baller, okay? Your girl's broke. You're not gonna be seeing too many hauls where you be spending like $300, $400. Ooh, kill my soul. $300 or $400 on some clothes. Not this one. No. Now I just want to address something that I know a lot of people have heard me say, and that was I was originally not going to start a YouTube channel. And if you know me, that was correct. I really was not going to start a YouTube channel. I personally didn't want to do YouTube. As some people know, I worked with vendors from AliExpress. Why did I say work? I still work with them. I work with vendors from AliExpress. Different vendors give me discounts when I promote their products. And I only promote their products on Instagram. I don't promote their products on YouTube. Like, I don't have a YouTube channel, and they wanted me to start one, and I said no because I don't feel comfortable. I don't feel comfortable putting myself out there. Even though, if you know me, I'm a very crazy, weird person. I just don't feel comfortable putting myself out there because people in this world can be so harsh. So I was scared, but they started to hold back on me with all these discounts, and they gave me less, and I felt like I needed to take advantage of it. And who doesn't like discounts? All you gotta do is record and tell people what you think about a product. So I'm gonna get those discounts. That's all I really need you guys to know about me. These bundles should be down in the description box below. It's a frontal wig that I sewed, so you can check that out right here if you like it. If you do like it, then holla at your girl so she can make you a wig, you know what I'm saying? Oh, and these glasses, they're not real. I promise the next video is going to be a video of me with Teresa, and I'm going to be sewing up a wig. So you guys want to meet Teresa? She's beautiful. Say hey, Teresa.
Hey, you guys.
I'm so weird. Thank you for staying tuned and watching me be weird in my room. I appreciate it so much. Bye.